Good morning, Mr. Need and Courage. On this occasion, I am going to talk about the trash, its consequence, and how we can solve this problem that is affecting us worldwide. The accumulation of garbage of different type is a problem in the different countries of the world that cannot solve this of organic form. This causes immense source of pollution capable of reproducing disease of alkenes and of transferring the contamination to underground water currents and even introducing new toxic elements into the food chain. Therefore, it is very important that people change our customs. Developing a recycling action plan can dramatically reduce the amount of waste that ends up in our landfills. It can also help us reduce our overall household expenses in a way we never thought possible. Keep in mind that what we throw into our landfills can remain there for decades, seep in the ground, and contaminate our water source. In addition to air, land, and water pollution, and poor waste management has adverse effects on public health and environmental degradation in general, as well as landscape impacts. Likewise, environmental degradation entails social and economic costs such as property violation, loss of environmental quality, and its effects on tourism. And to reduce these drawbacks, it is necessary to cite councils around the world to carry out recycling and waste separation programs, while simulation production with clean and sustainable technologies, which in turn have a lower environmental cost. Also exists the 4R rule, and there are reduce, reuse, replace, and recycle. To reduce is to preventing origin. On the one hand, the formation of waste. On the other hand, the toxicity of waste. It is necessary to modify both the producing process and our consumption habits, acquiring only products necessary to plan the purchase. The author reuse means to reuse a product and take this into account when purchasing the product. And many products can be reused with creativity, giving a new usefulness to the object that something else will drop, and thus the shelf life of the product or packaging was extended. Replacement requires the purchase of long-life biodegradable, non-toxic and less environmentally impact products. And the last, recycling. Recycling allows the reintroduce the different material in the cycles of production, saving raw material and reducing the flow of waste that goes to the end of the disposal treatment. However, that a product is recyclable as indicated in many of them, and does not necessarily imply that it will be recycled. The materials that are most used recycled today are organic matter, glass and paper. And this is all for today. See you later.